Hello and welcome back to Gags Kitchen. Today I'm sharing a very special side dish from the Himalayas. The soft and tangy cottage cheese called Churpi. Loved across Sikkim, Darjeeling, Nepal and Bhutan, it's the festive favorite that no feast feels complete without. From radish with Churpi to cucumber Churpi Achar, this tangy delight is always the perfect appetizer back home in Sikkim. No festival feast ever feels complete without Churpi. And with the set just around the corner, so I thought of recreating this favorite here far away to celebrate the season with a taste of home. Let's get started and make some delicious churpi together. The best part about this recipe is that it needs only two simple ingredients: buttermilk and thick curd. Here I'm using 3 packets of plain buttermilk. Take a big pot and pour in the buttermilk. Well, I've taken half kg packet of curd, added an extra half cup from the leftover curd, which is slightly more sour to give it that extra tang. Have mixed them together and drain some liquid. Now add the curd and give it a gentle stir. Cook it slowly on a low heat, stirring occasionally until the whey separates. Well, there are 2 types of churpi. One is the hard, dried version, usually cut into the cubes and chewed for hours like a natural candy. And there is this soft version, which is my absolute favorite. It's so versatile that you can mix it with different ingredients and create something really yummy. As you can see, the whey has separated, leaving the soft white portion. This is our churpi. Turn off the heat and carefully strain the mixture using a muslin cloth or a fine sieve. Gently press it to remove the extra liquid. Here we have the fresh cottage cheese that truly brings churpi to life. You can enjoy it in so many ways: as a side with radish or cucumber achar, in soups, as a tangy addition to momo stuffing, or simple as delicious appetizer during festive feast. The possibilities are endless. For today, I'm going with cucumber and churpi. I'm taking 2 medium-sized English cucumbers, cutting them into halves and then into smaller pieces. I'll be using 1½ cucumbers. Once it's done, add them to a bowl. For some heat, I'm using dalle chili, one of the fiercest chilies, which I'm just crushing. You can use any chili and make a paste if you like. I'm keeping it simple today with crushed chilies and a pinch of salt. Once it's done, set it aside. Now let's get our churpi. The excess water has drained and we have the delicious fresh cottage cheese ready. Crumble the churpi, it's ready to use, and you can even store it in a refrigerator for weeks. To assemble, place the cucumber pieces on a large plate. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of crumbled churpi, a little salt, and mix well. Add the crushed chilies and give it a final mix. And there you have it, a tangy, crunchy and refreshing cucumber churpi achar, perfect to enjoy as a side or appetizer. So it's so simple and easy to make. Do give it a try and share your thoughts and comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching Gags Kitchen and wishing you all very happy Dussehra in advance.